No, he's got that little. Yeah, I better watch what you say. I'm not saying nothing.
I am video recording for future reference.
It can apply to me.
It can apply to Shell. Little man said.
Little man said, Professor.
It could be the bang. Look at me. Yeah, okay. It could be the bang. Look how straight I am.
Put that up, Jay.
Put it up. Hey, Mikey, Magic Mike. Hey, Bill. John.
Everybody likes Mike.
Everybody likes Mikey.
Don't say nothing.
There's the barbecue pitmaster.
She's got the camera. And
There's Jeffrey, the barbecue pitmaster.
Mel's got the recorder in the pocket. I thought he might be on last movie.
And there's Jimmy's boy.
Unfortunately, but it's a good thing.
I love your daddy. He's like my, he is.
Exactly. Can't put it into words, can you? There's only one of a kind.
He's like my perverted brother.
Always, yep. He'll always know you like that. Absolutely.
I love Jimmy. Mommy calls him her Jimmy.
Yep.
We're still at the truck rodeo.
Yeah, he lives. What I understand, he lives. That's what they don't want, though.
Hey, Peggy. She don't hear. There's Miss Doris.
Okay.